So Mommy got your mailbox?
It's a toy. This is another one from my Santa. Mommy, Daddy, and Loli. Put a little bow in your hand. Ready? It's a caterpillar, whatever it is. Look!
Numbers. One little birdie, two little butterflies, three little bumblebees, full of fun. Three little bumblebees, buzz, 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 bye-bye.
Yay! I think there's another one here. And I think it's just this one box. Well, what do you know? Let's see. Oh, another bow. Ugh. I can't open it. Apparently wrap this too good. Oh, clothing. Beautiful clothes.
Like who? Clothes.
You're gonna wear this on your chest?
Clothes. I don't care about, I like toys.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, look, how pretty.
Just give my toys, Mommy.
Pretty.
Merry Christmas, Pasatia.
Merry Christmas. We didn't have to get you a lot of stuff this year because you don't even know what's happening. No, you don't. You like the way the paper sounds. more
Like,
than
just put me in the
anything
jungle gym, I'll be happy.
else. What?
Right, Batata? Right, Batatia?
Batata. Batata. She's dribbling all over herself.
She's looking into your mailbox.
Daddy, look at my beautiful hair. I wear bows in my hair. What is this?
It's learning time. Hi there.
Oh. It's a birdie.
Let's mail some letters. Special delivery.
We can't mail anything because we didn't open up the stuff yet, but we will later.
Open up the mailbox to look for something new. Mail's so full of colors, delivered just for you.
Standing up by herself, by the way.
Green and blue. You'll see lots of other colors too.
Yay! Cookie, 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 cookie.
She wants to play with it, Mommy.
Here, open it. You don't understand. Go ahead. She's trying. Oh.
Whoa.
Ah! Then you're gonna get these letters and you're gonna put them up here and then
Up,
up.
down.
Yeah. This is amazing, and this is amazing. Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you, Santa.
You are nice, Santa. You bring me presents. Oh my God, look at this. You bring me lots of beautiful.
I was just trying to play with it.
Look. Play with it. She's like, how do I open that? She's trying. Go ahead. Try it. Okay.
Sure.
Look, look, look. See this? Look.
Hello, I see
Oh.
you.
Maybe you want to explain to everybody why you're not in your Christmas pajamas. Why?
Eu fiz xixi na calça.
You going pee-pees every night in your pajamas? Every night pee-pees and doo-doos? And it gets everywhere, all over the bed and everything? And we have to give you baths? Yeah.
Tell mommy. You don't have to tell anybody that. Why you have to embarrass me?
You're not embarrassed. You have no shame. You're just a baby. Alright, Christmas morning! Woo! Woo! Now we have to get dressed. And then we're gonna
Bye-bye.
then we're gonna open more presents.